Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be writing some open and closed syllables, open and closed syllables today. There's only four of them, so this should be pretty fast for you to do. Remember, we're going to pound it and sound it. And some of these words are red words. So actually, they're both red words that are open syllables. So are you ready? You don't need your hand, you just need a pencil and your paper. All right, here we go. The first word I want you to write is the word go. Now, I want to ask you, is go an open syllable or a closed syllable? Yes, it's an open syllable because it says O at the end. Got that vowel at the end. So it's an open syllable. Can you write the word go? And remember, it's also a red word. All right, go. I would love to go to the zoo. Go, G-O. Make sure you rewrite it. Now, the next word we are going to write, you're going to tell me if it's an open syllable or a closed syllable, is the word got. Got. We're going to just bring these two letters back down and we're going to add an ending. So is it an open syllable or closed syllable? Yep, it's a closed syllable because it's got the T at the end. It says, and the vowel says ah. So the vowel changes. So G, O, just like our word here. And what's that last sound? Got. Good, it's a T sound. Good, that's a T. Make sure you rewrite it. All right, here's our next word. Our next word is a red word also, and it is the word be. Be. I would like to be a movie star one day. Ha. Be. Write the word be. Ba-e. Is that an open syllable or a closed syllable? Yep, it's an open syllable because it says E at the end. Be. Ba-e. Good. All right, the next thing you're going to do, I would like to be a movie star. Yep, I already said that. The next thing you're going to do is the last one, easy. So we're going to bring these two letters down because we're going to go from B to bed. Bed. Now, is that an open syllable or a closed syllable? Does it have that V or does it have that vowel at the end? A-E-I-O-U? Is it open or closed? What do you think? Yeah, it's closed. It's closed. Bed. What's that last sound? D. Yeah, it's D. Good. Make sure you rewrite them. Always rewrite them. Um, I had to make my bed this morning, like everyone. All right, now remember, open syllables have that long vowel at the end, A, E, I, O, or U, and they say um, A, E, I, O, or U. Like go says O at the end of it. B says E at the end of it. So remember, we're working on open syllable or closed syllables. All right, we miss you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.